Hello, my name is Nikolai Litovkin and this is Big Guns. Today I bring you one of the world's most powerful rifles that set a record with a 4.2 kilometer shot. So this is the SVLK-14S, or the way the Russian gun guys call it, the Twilight. As engineers at the factory told me, everything about this gun is made to maximize its accuracy. First of all, it is chambered with an improved version of a 408 round with bigger volume and higher velocity. And as you probably already noticed, this rifle has got no magazine and is chambered with one round only. Worth mentioning that this rifle's got one of the shortest and smoothest triggers. Take a listen. I love that. Let's take a look at the stock. It's made out of carbon fiber, which is actually a mix of plastics, fiberglass and Kevlar, designed to make this rifle more reliable, as it's got a heavy steel barrel that is actually about 900mm long and a powerful 408 JTAC round with strong recoil. The SVLK-14S is a match rifle. It is initially created to set records, to enjoy your time at shooting range, and, what I love about it, to demolish whatever stands on its way. So check out this 1.5 meters thick ice wall. And I want to know whether or not one of the world's most powerful rifles will destroy it with one shot. My position was a little bit higher, that's why the bullet penetrated 3 blocks, went through the table and disappeared somewhere in the ground. Anyway, I got a surprise for you. Check out. Let's see how Vladimir Putin's sniper rifle DXL3 passes the same test. Our 338 rifle penetrated 2 blocks, and we've just seen with our own eyes how much power the Twilight has compared to the DXL3. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.